And to summarize our topic in pivot table, a pivot table in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly summarize, analyze, explore, and present large amounts of data in a meaningful way. It helps you extract useful insights without altering your original data set. So a pivot table lets you rearrange or pivot data to view it from different angles. Group data by categories, dates, or ranges. Calculate totals such as average, counts, percentage, among others. Filter and sort data interactively. You can create a pivot table from a simple table or a more complex data set with thousands of rows. So pivot table is used for data summarization, easily group and summarize complex data without formulas, time saving, it quickly analyzes trends without manually sorting or filtering data, flexibility, drag and drop fields to change your view instantly, interactive reporting, create dynamic reports and dashboard, and of course, error reduction. It minimizes manual calculations, reducing mistakes. So after our discussion in Microsoft Excel's charts and graphs as well as pivot table, so let us now dive into descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics deals with what happened in the past. As a snapshot, descriptive analytics is the process of analyzing historical data to understand what has happened in the past. It focuses on summarizing trends, patterns, and key insights using data visualization, statistical measures, and aggregation techniques. Overview, descriptive analytics, this type focuses on summarizing past data to understand what happened. It includes techniques like data aggregation, reporting, and visualization. Example, analyzing sales data to see which product sold the most last quarter. Then for Module 2, we will be focusing on predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. And for additional concepts and review of Excel charts, you can visit w3schools.com as well as support Microsoft.com on how to create a chart from start to finish. Then you can also visit excelec.com for pivot tables in Excel step-by-step tutorial. Once again, thank you very much. See you again next time. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.